past simple tense? Hi everyone, welcome back to our series where we learn English step by step. Today, we're diving into the past. We'll talk about the past simple tense, specifically regular verbs. By the end of this video, you'll know how to talk about things that happened in the past. And as always, we'll learn 5 new words and use them in a fun story. Grammar. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. For regular verbs, we simply add ed to the base form of the verb. Let's look at some examples. Walk becomes walked. Yesterday, I walked to the park. Listen becomes listened. Last night, she listened to music. Open becomes opened. He opened the door. Now, here's something to remember. If the verb ends in E, you only add D. For example, like becomes liked. And don't forget, regular verbs don't change their spelling much. Easy, right? Now let's learn 5 new words that we'll use in today's story. Vocabulary. Repeat after me. 1. Walked, to move forward on foot. 2. Listened, to pay attention to sound. 3. Opened, to make something accessible, like a door or a book. 4. Watched, to look at something carefully. 5. Asked, to request information or help. Great! Practice saying these words aloud. Now, I'll tell you a short story. Listen carefully and try to understand how I use the past simple tense and our 5 new words. Story. Yesterday, Anna had a busy day. She woke up early and walked to the park to get some fresh air. While she was there, she listened to the birds singing. After the walk, Anna opened her favorite book and read for an hour. Later, she went to her friend's house. Together, they watched a funny movie and laughed a lot. Before going home, Anna asked her friend about her weekend plans. It was a simple but lovely day. Did you hear all the new words? Let's see how much you understood in the reading section. Reading. Yesterday, Anna had a busy day. She woke up early and walked to the park to get some fresh air. While she was there, she listened to the birds singing. After the walk, Anna opened her favorite book and read for an hour. Later, she went to a friend's house. Together, they watched a funny movie and laughed a lot. Before going home, Anna asked her friend about her weekend plans. It was a simple but lovely day. Now, let's check your understanding with some questions. Choose the best answer. Question 1. What did Anna do first? Question 2. What did Anna and her friend do together? Question 3. What did Anna ask her friend about? Write down your answers or say them out loud. Ready to check? Answer. How many did you get right? Great job! Keep practicing to improve your English. Don't forget to watch the next episode, where we'll talk about irregular verbs in the past simple tense. See you soon!